Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Hey, today we get to look at the AMALFI diver from Spinnaker, reference number SP5074-44. And this guy came to me by Aaron Dunlop of the OFD channel. I'll leave a link to his channel below. Please be sure to check him out. So the Amalfi diver was named after the Amalfi coast along the southern edge of Italy's Sarentine Peninsula. So that's kind of cool. Little interesting note on how this guy was named. It does have a 24 joule automatic Japanese movement. Now, it does not specify what that movement is on the website, so most likely it is an NH35 Seiko. So that is a good solid movement for this watch. And all these specs on this watch are very good for the price point. You're talking about $400 for this watch. Good movement and good specs. We'll get into all of them. I was just checking on the computer here. You can see my computer. They do have different colors in this model. They have kind of like a light blue, baby blue, kind of a dark navy blue, and a black. I'll throw shots up for you there so you can see those. So very nice. And this orange and black one here is just super eye-catching. You have a 316L stainless steel case, mostly brushed. You can see those lugs curving down there to hug your wrist. Very nice design on this case. Some polished beveled edges and a polished crown, screw down crown with knurling on it with the Spinnaker logo stamped in the end of it, and some nice crown protectors protecting that guy there. This dial is so cool, and I'm going to bring it closer so you could take a look at it. It's kind of a two-tier step down dial. I like how the applied indices are set up along the top edge, and then it steps down to the center of the dial. Very nice looking and well done. These guys did a good job. Nice boxed out date window at 3 o'clock position, Spinnaker logo below 12, and you have the 660 feet or 200 meters water resistant and automatic right above the 6 o'clock position. Now, if you could see this bezel, it is an aluminum bezel, and it almost looks like they took a router, a small router, and just carved out from the 0 to 20 minute marker. It's kind of a step down bezel, kind of to accompany that step down dial. I really like it. All the 5 minute markers are also carved out and stepped down also. Very nice, and another eye-catching feature to this watch for sure. Let me back this up. It is a 120 click bezel, really good action on this bezel. I like the feel of it. Spinnaker always does a really good job there. It does have also a screw down case back, and we can look in here. You can see that decorated Spinnaker rotor in there. Has a few specs, little information around the edge, automatic movement, the water resistant, and sapphire crystal. You can see the movement beating in there. Very, very nice. Does have a locking clasp with Spinnaker stamped on it. Push button open. Very, very solid bracelet. A very nice looking bracelet also. Does have also a diver's extension if you want to use it for diving. So that's a big plus, and some micro adjustments here on the end. Those are always nice. I don't know if there's hardly any watches that do not have micro adjustments. If they don't, that's a big bummer because I like those. Solid end links, great looking bracelet here for sure. Does have some killer, let me get this focused. It does have some killer Lume, and I'm going to throw a shot up for you there. C3 Super Luminova on those rectangular and trapezoid indices with and on the handset. You can see that. Very nice, super bright and brilliant. If you love Lume, you're going to love that. Hey, let's get into some specs with this guy. This does have a 46 millimeter case, 51.5 millimeter lug to lug. a 15 millimeter thickness, and a 24 millimeter bandwidth. Let's get this on my 7-inch wrist for a wrist shot. All right, guys, there you have it on my 7-inch wrist. I did not adjust this bracelet, so it's a little tight. You can see how those curved lugs are hugging my wrist. Fits really nice and looks good. I love the presentation of this watch. The black and orange is just popping. Very good price point for this watch, 400 bucks. I don't think you can go wrong. Definitely go to their website. As you can see, I'm kind of a sucker for the baby blue look. They have a really nice one on their webpage. So, hey, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I would appreciate it. Hope you guys are having a great day and stay well.